Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Cat Manor. Today we're gonna unbox iPhone 12. Let's check out the box first. I just got here the product black iPhone and a white box. As Apple promised, it's pretty small. Yeah, almost half the size of an iPhone 11 box. Because it doesn't have a charging adapter and AirPods. Reason given by Apple was that they would like to lower their carbon footprint by reducing the size of the box. But I have a mixed opinion on it. Let's skip that part and focus on unboxing. Let's remove the plastic cover. Satisfying, isn't it? Now I'm gonna take the cap off. And here it is. I'll just put it aside. You should take a look at the cap. It's a bit inclined over here to fit the cameras. It also has a foamy layer to protect the iPhone from transportation damages. Yes, let me take the iPhone out. What is inside this little box? There's a cable and some papers. Let me check the papers first. A SIM magic tool. iPhone user guide. You wouldn't need it. And an Apple logo. Usually there'll be two of it, but only one this time. What else? Oh yes, that's USB-C to Lightning cable. Old power adapters will not have USB-C port. You need to buy a new adapter with the USB-C port to use this cable. I already bought one. Charging adapter and AirPod can never fit in here. Now the interesting part begins. Now let's peel the wrap and see the iPhone. Look at this, there is no wrap at the back. There's a wrap at the front, just peel it off. It's just a paper kind of one instead of plastic. Wow, that's my iPhone. Front one is not a glass anymore, it's a highly compressed ceramic shield. Backside it's a glass. Apple assures it to be 4 times more resistant than the previous model. Sides have come with sharp edges like iPhone 4 and 5. It became thinner too. Feels really light to handle. There's the volume buttons and nothing at the top. Power button on the other side. Lightning port, speakers and mic grill at the bottom. Usual stuff. Let's take a look at the cameras. There are two 12 megapixel cameras. One is wide angle and the other one is ultra wide angle. A flash and a mic. If you check out 12 Pro, it will have 3 cameras with LiDAR sensor over here. There is one more thing. iPhone 12 supports MagSafe accessories, which means there are magnets at the back. I have already bought one of it. MagSafe charger. Let's just unbox it quickly and try it out with iPhone 12. This is it. I'll open it up and see what's inside it. A charging pad and a USB-C cable. Let's find out how efficient it is. Let's try it out. Nice. It's firm. It's holding to it. Wow, it can hold the iPhone itself. It's not easy to remove as it is holding to it. It may not be handy if you want to charge your phone often, but it's fun. check whether it works. Yep, it is. Let me switch it on. Face ID, pin configuration, blah 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 blah. You would have done this 100 times. True tone display is interesting. I like it to be dark. iOS 14 looks appealing. I'm gonna use it for a few days and come back with my review. This is it. We are done with iPhone 12 unboxing. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to Crazy Cat Marin.